Hi everyone, Cxana is here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook the Spanish omelette. Let's go! First of all, I prepare the potato and I peeled it. And now I'm gonna cut in a little pieces. I will not cut too small. This one is perfect size for me. Ta-da! It's done! It's gonna look like this. Beautiful. And now we're gonna take it to deep fry. Before I start to deep fry, I need to prepare first for make sure that I not forget anything to put in my Spanish omelette. First is cheese. I use the cheddar cheese and Hawaii. But Hawaii. This one tastes very good, and cheddar, which is I love. And then salt, then olive oil. I use the olive oil because I kind of like the flavor and the smell of it. And egg. I'm gonna use 4 of them. I'm going to prepare egg. One hand. Can you do that? First, with the salt, like a pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna start the fire. I'm gonna go high heat. So now I'm ready to deep fry. The egg mixed with the potato. I'm gonna add cheese. Now we're going to use a little bit of oil that we are cooking potato before. Just a little bit. That's it. And now we add everything that we prepared before. Everything. Now we're going to flip. So you just need to put the rice on top and hold it tight and flip. Look at that. And now again. Do the same thing. Add everything. It's really sticky. You need to do this carefully. The Spanish omelette literally this shape. Okay, don't break it. Or you can break it, but it's not complete. Now we're going to flip it again. Do the same thing. Flip it. It's burned. Oh, it's so good. It's a little burned. I think it's alright. Now it is perfect. We're going to do flip again and done. Turn off the fire and flip it again. Ta-da! We have Spanish omelette.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Look at this. Now we're going to try. Let's go. I also have the sauce, so it's really easy. I just take the solids. It's really good and it's very famous in Spain. So everyone uses it. You just put in the cup as you want and then put it in the microwave and heat. I'm gonna let like 1 minute. See, it's 1 minute. I take it off. Here we go, we have everything. I want to cut like 4 pieces, like a cake. Now it's come out. Look at this. It's like pizza. This one for my husband. The sauce.
The top.
On the top, like this. Now he gonna try my Spanish omelette by Thai.
My Thai people.
How was it?
อร่อย
Now I'm also going to have lunch. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. And I will see you in the next videos.
Bye bye.
Bye.